what we do on a rainy day.
I don't want to get wet.
That umbrella looks like it's slowly getting lower and lower.
I couldn't figure it out. Didn't you do it last time?
I don't think I could figure it out either. Is it warm or cold?
It's a little warm.
It's warming up.
I'm cold. I'm soaking wet. I'm going in the house.
Hop in.
No way.
Then
way,
you
I'm
get
getting in the
even
house.
wetter. And then you can
Where's Zach and Callie getting in?
I don't think so.
call them down.
Maybe you should call them down so they can come out to the hot tub. Okay.
Liberty.
You see Daddy? Hi. I don't know if that's getting her. You see Daddy? You see your brother? Hmm.
Hi, Liv. You happy girl? Hi. Does she want to get in?
No, I don't want to get her out there. Not this time.
Look at all that pride in me.
I guess there is a positive to this mess.
What?
This baby really likes it. She just crawls around from object to object. This is driving me insane. I think I'm just going to get rid of it.
That? Okay, yeah.
Why is there a plate up here?
Is that a berry on it?
2 plates.
Whoa.
Mm.
What's happening? What is that? More? Allosaurus. Allosaurus. It's good. Allosaurus is... Mom, what's it?
One's up my nose.
Hi.
Hi.
It sure is raining out here.
Yeah.
I'm cold.
I told Dad it's not raining anymore. And he came on like, it's still raining.
You.
Mom,
What?
we go in here and make it warm. Daddy, you want to play spot?
Okay.
It's going to be cold when you guys get out.
Get in the warm shower.
I'm getting super wet.
This is what happens when you have a sleepover. How's that? Do you think she really went to bed at night?
Hey, Mom, can we have the candy so
Mom,
we can
have a little
split
bit.
them?
Here you go.
What?
Mom, can I have the candy so
Well,
we
they
I
have
can
little
split it?
things.
I'll get it out.
What?
I'll get it out.
Oh, no, Dad can
That's
split
where they're
it. Right,
things.
Mom?
What?
So we decided to go see Sing. And we're all excited. It's raining. Crazy raining outside. Ben, are you excited to see the movie? Do you know what it is? It's not Moana. They didn't have any more seats, but it's Sing.
Okay.
It's gonna be good. You guys are gonna laugh.
About a bunch of pigs, right?
Callie, are you excited for the movie?
Yeah.
You've seen it already?
Yeah, I've already seen it.
It's good.
But it's easy to drive like one. Introducing the most fuel-efficient crossover, the Kia Niro.
Zach. Zach, are you excited for the movie? Oh, you grown.
You'll never forget.
We're back from the movie, and Zach and Gavin went to work, and then they're going to go play hockey together.
Want to see a funny video?
And these little kids are hanging out, about to eat some dinner, get ready and go to bed. What'd you guys think about the movie?
It was good. It was my second time seeing it. The
Yeah.
end was kind of boring.
Yeah, it was boring after the certain part.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kept on falling asleep at the very end.
And I had to wake you up.
I know.
I like the piggy power.
The piggy power. What does he say?
Ha ha, piggy power. Ha ha.
What does he say?
Ha ha, piggy power.
Liberty? What does a piggy power say?
Stop kicking.
Oh, you don't know? All right. Well,
Stop
I'm going to
it.
close the
Stop
vlog.
it. Stop
Say
it.
goodnight. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. It's Sunday morning. Well, it's almost afternoon and we're getting ready for church. And this baby's taking a nap. We're all getting ready for church. It's a good morning. Hey, we are back from church. I'm just gonna go drop off this little bouncer and rock and play to my friend. But it was such a good day today at church. So inspiring and uplifting, and I love going to church. It really rejuvenates me. And anyways, yeah, woo. So I don't know what we're doing the rest of the day, but we'll have to see. Yeah. Oh yeah, you want that. Oh yeah. Annie, what were you singing?
Hello, is it me you're looking for? See it in eyes.
Didn't you say, hello, is it my dog you're looking for? Did you say that?
No.
Oh, I thought you did. He is so happy. She took a nice long nap at church, and so she's so happy. And she's a happy baby. You see yourself on there? You want to get down? Woo! You're trying to jump down there, huh? What are you doing? So nice today. Woke up early and I got the house picked up with Gavin before the older kids. This is the first time I think in ever that our two older kids slept in, and they slept in late, like 10 o'clock late, and gave us a chance, oh dear, to get the house picked up and make breakfast. And so we came home from church and the house is clean, and it's just such a good feeling to have the house picked up. I mean, it's not completely, the floors still need to be cleaned, whatever, but there's just not stuff everywhere, so it's been nice.
And is
Grandma, didn't I go
they
over with
shouldn't
you?
have a pool. She couldn't take care of that pool. She's been over there though for a long time.
Grandma, didn't I help you? Go over there to bring.
Are you sitting with Grandpa?
Yes, you did, by the way. Yes. And she had all that candy in the candy jar. Remember that?
Oh yeah.
She wanted you to have some.
When kids teleport. Yeah.
Oh, looks like you guys are doing something.
Cool.
Yeah. What's Ben doing?
Oh, that game.
Is he on your account?
Probably.
That's funny.
He can get on your account, Zach. He is.
He knows the password. Isn't it just like 1, 2, 3, 4?
It's 1, 2, 3. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Or 1, 2, 3, 10.
Grandma's making cookies.
Cookies.
Yum.
I like cookies.
Yeah, I like making and then put them in the freezer.
That's a good idea.
And your cookie jar. You haven't filled that in a while.
Completely without.
Grandma, you haven't filled your cookie jar in a while.
No, and if I put them in there, I'm afraid they get
Melty.
no, they
Eaten
get
by
stale.
Grandpa? Oh.
No, they get stale.
Liberty's playing with all these baby toys that her Aunt Tasha and Shalisa played with. I had a ball like that too.
I'm going to do it.
Stepped on his toes.
Yeah.
You like all these toys? She doesn't have any toys at home. She just plays with blocks.
Oh, that's-
We got rid of all our baby toys after
Yeah.
bed.
No, not this.
Don't get too much out up there.
Dead.
Oh, you give kisses?
Wait.
Trying to chew on it.
You giving kisses to the octopus?
Are you a mama? Are you a mama? Thor's head's still stronger. He just has less stamina. You are mama. She doesn't want to be mama.
She's giving it kisses. Are you giving kisses?
This should work.
Hmm.
You are a mama. You're a mama. Wow.
Thinking, Pa.
How much? What's your work schedule?
See,
Whoops, sorry, Lips.
Grandma turned.
What is this?
You playing?
Slap hands?
You want to play?
Sure, I'll play.
Hands down.
You have to be on.
Hands down.
You probably almost.
Hey, I'm not giving up today. If anything wrong, if you're not going to knock me over, I will get back a book and hey, I'm not giving up today. It seems a little wrong. I will get back up again. Hey, I will get back up again.
Okay, good night. Why are you laughing so much?
Mom, Daddy, so you didn't. I need Mama.
What?
I went into your bed and then you threw like this.
Ugh.
And by your butt and then Daddy stopped bumping into what? And then I'm like, Annie, your parents are slobs. I'm like, there's blood in your blanket. It was like this, Mom. It was like this. Really? Fell off onto the ground. No, it was like this. Like this. You know like this. No.
What, Ben?
And then I saw that. And she stared and you were like. And sandals. I recorded it on my Kindle. Let me see
I guess it's super funny talking about me tooting. I don't do that. Gross. I'm a girl. Dinner tonight is a whole bunch of broccoli, rice, black beans, and salsa.
Well, that's what happens when you crawl in between.
I'm gonna close the vlog. I didn't show you guys the office. I worked like all day. No, not all day, but for like 4 or 5 hours with a woman from my church that I hired to help me organize. And so I'm almost done with the office, and I will show you guys tomorrow. This little lady. She does that when she's tired. It's cute. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.